What is this? No way, that thing is amazing. It's like the size of my arm. I gotta call my wife. Babe, you will not believe what I just found.
Oh my gosh, did you finally find the topaz?
No, it's a giant crystal. It was just like laying in my lap when I woke up.
No way, that's so cool. I can't wait to see it.
We've got to find some more of these. These things, this is amazing. You know where we can find some?
Yeah, there's a place 1 mile down the road. It's called Crystal Hill Mine.
Just a mile down the road? Oh, we've got to go.
And I'm here with my husband Frank, and we are That Camping Couple. We're full-time campers traveling the U.S. finding the best prospecting and camping locations. If you haven't already yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that you can be the first to see what treasures we find. Also, leave us a comment in the comment section below saying what your favorite find is from today.
We're here at Crystal Hill Mine, and as you can see, we're on the 3rd level. What we're going to be doing is working in this hole that everybody loves to come to, and in a minute we'll show you why. After the rain, we actually found a bunch just laying on the surface. Terminations on one end, and it's actually a full termination on the other end. They're all really unique crystals here, some of the coolest we've ever found. All right guys, this is a spot that we actually broke open a couple days ago. What I'm gonna do is take my handy dandy tool, and I'm going to dig in here and pull out some crystals for y'all. Alright guys, so about 30 seconds in and we already got a little crystal. It's a little broke on one side, but that's a good start. Here's another one we found. There's a little cluster back in here. What I'm going to do is, I've already broke a bunch off. As you can see, a bunch of pieces here that's already fallen down. I'm going to break this last piece off right here, and hopefully we'll get that cluster out. Alright guys, she wiggled, so I'm going to see if I can pull her out. Alright. There's a nice little cluster right here on a nice plate. Look at all those points in there. Oh, that's gonna be a pretty piece. Check that out. Oh, I just broke this chunk off right here, and look what I just uncovered. That's a huge cavity, and it is absolutely full of crystals. I was working over here, as you can see, but to get all the rocks off the top to get in there is going to be too much work. So what I'm going to do is move over here to this new spot. I'm super excited. That's absolutely incredible. So we're going to take our time and get some really good specimens out of there. But check out what Kendall just found.
Look how gorgeous this is. This is Tooth Calcite. It's a really good cluster.
It's like a little burr. It's like a little porcupine.
Yeah.
It's absolutely gorgeous. They're delicate, so if you come here, you want to make sure you bring something to wrap them in. Newspaper, old socks, anything like that'll work. Check that out, y'all. Just broke this off the wall. That thing is absolutely amazing. Never been touched before, never been seen. Every little point still there. Oh my gosh. I can't even hardly speak right now.
Alright, so while Frank's been really busy banging on the rock, getting the awesome chunks, I've been walking around surface hunting, and I'm super excited about this find. Check that out. That is a big crystal. I like that it's not so dainty. It's just really big calcite crystals. I love it.
So guys, I just got the best piece ever. The whole thing's covered in it. That Tooth Calcite. I did break off one piece because it slung out whenever I got it, but for the most part they're all intact. You can see little bubbles. But what's so cool is this piece right here, if you can see that, it has a little blue tint to it, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, it's definitely one of my favorite finds. I hope it's one of y'all's too. So there it is, everybody. This is the Tooth Calcite that we've gotten today. Look at all the amazing pieces. That's just absolutely incredible. And of course, the best right here. Look at that. Oh, I'm still in shock for getting this one out. You got your bone. Oh, Nelson wants it. All right, guys, so we showed you the quartz crystals over here on the 3rd level, and we also showed you the Tooth Calcite, and now we're going to show you a little Honey Calcite in the cave, so stay tuned.
We want to know which one is y'all's favorite. Do you guys like the quartz or the calcite?
Make sure you leave a comment down below and let us know. We're in a mountain right now, y'all. This is crazy. Like, we're in a mountain.
We're so far underground.
We are so far underground. I don't know how many feet, but at least a couple thousand right now. But check that out, y'all. That is so cool. Little cave in. Hope that doesn't happen while we're under here. You can see the old rail.
And here, there's all this dendritic material. It looks like nature's forest, like
it does.
On a rock.
There's some really cool pieces up here we found. So when y'all come, bring flashlights and make sure you come explore this. As you can see right up in this hole right here, there's a ton of Honey Calcite. All right, guys, we've kind of broke a lot of these rocks right up here out, and there's a really good piece right up in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be careful and try to chisel this out and break off a chunk so y'all can see it. Just bear with us. All right, look at that piece. That is absolutely gorgeous. Amazing. Some gorgeous Honey Calcite. I mean, that thing is amazing. It's not a big chunk, but when you're out here mining in hard rock, that's about as good as you're gonna get. But check that out, y'all. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to get this cleaned up. Same little pocket, another great piece. Check this out. Check that out. Woo, baby, that is amazing. Look at all those crystals. That thing is gonna be gorgeous cleaned up. Only at Crystal Hill Mine in Colorado. Y'all need to come check it out. You can find everything here. Y'all are the first ones to ever see that. Don't forget to subscribe. Did you get some bubble gum? Or is that a bone?
You got some bubble gum, girl.
Yeah, that's doggy bubble gum right there. Oh, you missed it. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Uh-oh. Get it. Where'd your bubble gum go? Oh no! Did you lose it? You need some help. You need some help.
Where's the bubble gum?
Oh, that's nasty. You're touching a bone.
No, I'm getting the rocks off of it.
Get the bubble gum.
Yeah. There it is.
Oh, yum. Get that bone, girl.
Yay!
Oh, no, not again.
Good
Good girl.
Yes, girl.
Did you get it? Huh? Nala, did you get it? That's a yes.
Thank y'all so much for watching. We appreciate y'all.